Hi guys, my name's Maddie. I'm a nutrition and dietetics student at the University of Newcastle, currently in my 4th year and doing my placement with the dietitians at HealthWISE Armidale. Today we are going to do a cooking video with healthy homemade Bolognese. So the difference with our homemade spaghetti bolognese today is that we're going to pack it full of hidden veggies. So to start off, we've got 2 cloves of garlic finely diced. We've got 1 onion which is diced, some mushrooms which we've diced up, that's about 4 mushrooms there, 1 stalk of celery finely diced and a carrot grated. We've got 500 grams of lean beef mince, some Italian herbs, a tin of crushed tomatoes, a jar of passata, and some wholemeal pasta. Now the reason behind the wholemeal pasta and the hidden veg is that it's going to pack our meal with heaps of fibre. So we've just heated a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil on medium heat in a saucepan. We're going to pop in our garlic. We're going to pop in our onion at the same time as well. We're just going to saute this around for a couple of minutes until the onion is translucent. So the next step is our mince. We're going to pop that in and we're just going to chop it up and brown it. Now that our mince has browned, we're going to pop in our Italian herbs. Just a sprinkle over, a generous sprinkle. And we're going to pop in our hidden vegetables. Our carrot, celery, and mushrooms. And we're going to stir that around. Once all the veggies are mixed in, we're going to pop in our tin of crushed tomatoes. And passata. Now that that's all stirred through, we're going to pop a lid on it and let it simmer on low for 20 to 30 minutes. We've also seasoned it with some salt and pepper. And while that's simmering, we're going to cook our pasta. Now that our pasta's cooked and our bolognese has finished simmering, this is the final product. This is a great way to try for 5 and get your 5 serves of veggie in a day.